Okay, so here is part one of the Beginner's Guide to Construct 3. In other words, Ghost Shooter. So here they give you where you can see the finished game, you can play the game, all that. You can ask for help, ask me, getting started, there's the address, create a new project. And so I'm going to do this, adding the objects, I'm going to do this. Tiled background. So I'm going to walk you through all of these stages here, and you are still going to be responsible for the hotkeys, all that kind of stuff. All right, so here we go. So here it is. I'm going to make a new project, and I'm going to name it Ghost Shooter, and I'm going to give it a date here, and I'm going to do fall 22, and I'm going to fix my stuff here. Go back this way, there, and it just leaves it just like that. Okay, and I'm going to hit create, and there it does, it creates. So let's take a second here to pause. So this is my entire layout. If I go and click on layout, you can see it's 1708 by 960. My window that I actually see through is, if I come back here, it's right there, my viewport. Okay, that is this area right here. You know how you play a game and you don't see the whole thing sometimes. Okay. All right, so what they want me to do is they want me to come back here. They want me to get this picture. So I'm going to right click on it, save image as, and I'm going to save it as background. Then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go to my folder and get that image. So here's my folder, go to downloads, and there it is. Okay, I just need to know where it is. So now they want me, and I'm going to put it over here off to the side. So we double click on the layout to get to the environment where we can add a new object, and they want us to go for a tiled background. Don't scroll through this, search TIL, TIL. Okay, do you see that? And then pick that. Now typically you're going to give it a name down here, but we're going to leave it as tile background now, and hit insert. Now we get a crosshairs, and now we are going to double click to say this is where I want it to be inserted. This doesn't really matter, so it brings up this inserting the editor, the sprite editor or the background editor. It's just the editor. We're going to go here, and there it is. Go straight to downloads and get it, and then it plops it into here. Now the key word here is tiled. Okay, so there it is. Now if I bring it up over here and I stretch it out, it tiles it. Can you see that tile? So I need it to fit the entire thing. Am I going to try to get that right? No, I'm not. I'm going to go here, comma, there, make sure, and then I'm going to make sure that it's the same size it was, right? And I know that you probably don't remember it, but that's okay. You can practice. There it is. And I hit tab to set that. Okay, and now it's perfectly fitting on that. And then check to see if that's everything for this stage 1. I think it is. Yep. Okay, and I'll be back in a second.